This is Kira Matheson with the Blueprint News Network. With the IMEA All-State Music Conference approaching, DGS has been able to showcase their most talented students. One in particular, senior Aiden Schutte, has earned himself second place in state for the musical remix contest. In a more obscure competition category, Schutte explains how his creative process works.
We had a competition that we could enter. It was me and another guy that actually entered it, and it was for a deadmau5 song called Let Go. And we took stems from the song and composed a whole new track out of that.
However, this was not Schutte's first experience with remixing, as he found a way to showcase one of his hobbies through the competition.
I have been producing stuff for about 2 years now. I do it on my free time. I have a program called FL Studio that I use, and it's really fun just to make it. I do it as a hobby.
This accomplishment was a surprise to Schutte, who didn't fully understand the magnitude of his achievement.
I had no idea how big of a deal it was, but second in state, it feels really good. I had no idea I would get that far, and yeah, it feels awesome.
Crediting YouTube, practice, and a love for the arts, Schutte hopes to continue his passion going forward, teaching others to expand on their music skills.
I play guitar, and then I've just been around a lot of music, so I would say immerse yourself in a lot of music and culture. Yeah, again, watch a lot of YouTube, a lot of practice helps.
This has been Kira Matheson with the Blueprint News Network.